picked up this large vase at the thrift store. It was pretty scratched up, so I decided to flip it. I start with a black spray paint as my base because I want a little bit of black showing through. You can do whatever color, base color you want. And then I get some dry decks. It's pink at first and then it dries white, so it kind of helps you know when it's dry. Although I do give it a little extra time after it turns white anyway. And I'm just patting it all over, rubbing it between my hands first, and then after it sets up a little bit, I go again on light pats. On this project, I have a little trick. I rip a paper plate in half, and then you just really lightly drag it across the surface. And it kind of helps give a little more interest to the texture, kind of more aged stone vessel texture. And then on the angled parts, I just use a smaller piece. For the first layer of paint on this project, I'm doing a really light kind of creamy white color. So a little bit of gray, a little bit of brown, but a lot of white. And then on the second and final layer, it's a lot more brown and gray to white. So probably equal parts of all three this time, but adjust the paint however you like. And then I go over it with matte spray paint. Here's the before, and here's the after. Lots of good texture, and I love the neutral tone because it goes with all kinds of decor. Thank you guys for watching.